Korindo is the heart of forest management. Our trees are growing surrounded by Mother Nature. We know the value of forests and create new drive and energy through trees. Producing logs for industries and households, and writing a new history of plywood. Plywood Business Division of Korindo possesses the energy of greater possibilities to share. Korindo is an eco-friendly company that is outstanding in taking responsibility and infuses life into forests through sustainable forest management and promotes harmony between environmental protection and development. Korindo was established in Indonesia with the goal of creating new values in 1969 and started hardwood development business in Kalimantan in ways no one had ever tried. We turned the impossible into a reality and became the largest plywood producer in the industry. Pangkalan Bun plant was established in 1979, followed by Balikpapan plant and Asiki plant. Korindo is a global plywood manufacturer exporting 98% of 500,000 CBM plywood production every year, which is made from biomass produced in natural forests under sustainable management implementation. Plywood Business Division of Korindo accounts for 1/4 of the total plywood production of Indonesia, and annual export amounts to $350 million. Korindo puts priority on mutual prosperity and makes sincere social investments. Pangkalan Bun plant is Korindo's first plywood plant that began manufacturing in Pangkalan Bun here. It has been producing plywood for interior-exterior construction from natural trees since its inception. Korindo actively endeavors to make forest resources sustainable for future generations. Balikpapan plant is the second plywood plant of Korindo. Upgraded by structural innovation in 2013, it serves as a strategic production base of high value-added wood products. Asiki plant exports all of its production to the Middle East and aims to achieve the annual sales target of $100 million, upholding Korindo's spirit of challenge. Under the strategy of thorough localization, we put in place plywood manufacturing facilities and all necessary infrastructure, such as utility facilities and inland offshore transportation systems. The competitiveness of Plywood Business Division is matched by no other. We pursue sustainable resources and development based on wisdom we have attained from trees, and actively respond to customer demand by supplying tailor-made plywood for all markets. Veneers made by peeling logs are sprayed with glue, and an odd number of veneers are combined with the grain of each layer crossing at right angle with one another. With high strength and machinability, plywood is extensively used for construction, furnitures, vehicles, and ships. Ordinary plywood is produced by cutting logs to the appropriate sizes, peeling at the rotary lathe, and then drying, sorting, combining, and rating veneers into different grades and quality. Sorted veneers are combined and go through glue spraying, cold pressing, hot pressing, trimming, and sanding to attain high strength and low contraction. Our plywood, mostly secondary processed plywood for interior-exterior construction, is exported across the world. We launched a phenolic film-faced plywood brand KORINPLEX, the first of its kind in the Middle East, and have maintained our leadership in this sector for over 20 years through continuous improvement in design and quality. Additionally, we have spurred the development of high-strength premium brand as KORINDO Superform. We developed high-strength coated plywood in collaboration with major paint companies in Korea and Japan, which is the only Indonesian plywood exported to the Japanese markets. Our thorough quality inspection ensures complete customer satisfaction. With eco-friendly, sustainable supply of resources, various quality certifications, and localization strategy for over 30 years, KORINDO garners the reputation of high-quality plywood maker in the global marketplace, particularly the Middle East, Japan, and Europe. Armed with unrivaled competitiveness, Plywood Business Division of KORINDO leads the global plywood market. We have faced steep challenges and have overcome them. With daring confidence, we are looking for future possibilities. We will establish automatic production system by 2020 based on systematic quality management and expand stable supply of raw materials so as to maximize customer satisfaction. Corporate social responsibility is one of our priorities as we pursue corporate culture based on open communication and trust. We have constructed schools and roads near Plywood Business Division to promote mutual growth with local communities. Just as trees giving everything to us, KORINDO encourages community culture and carries out various CSR activities for locals, employees, and their families. Plywood Business Division is the matrix of KORINDO Group, supports its foundation for further growth and prosperity. As a leading manufacturer of high value-added, eco-friendly plywood using the circulation of resources, we build a new future for all.